busy travelers, welcome to our channel Aerial Pixel. Today we are in Växjö. It's a city in southern part of Sweden. Today we planned to take you to a glass factory and a museum as well. It's called Glasriket. Glasriket is a cultural hub nestling in the province of Småland, Sweden. It covers a vast area between Växjö and Kalmar city. You can reach here by your car, and also you can use public transport, which from the destination includes the cities of Kalmar, Växjö, Malmö, Gothenburg or Stockholm. So today, as a visitor, we are going to experience both utility glass and world-class art glass, and you are welcome with us to all the way to the glass oven to see how it's created. So we are going to experience world-class art glass and a vast range of glasswork via a range of activities, and also ample opportunities to stock up on some Swedish decor. So I'm super excited. Let's go. At Costa Glass Center, it's a part of Glasriket's experience-driven hub where you can try blowing your own glass, or you can just stand back and observe how a molten mass, hot molten mass, transforming into a glass, a beautiful piece of art. In the Glasriket, hand-blown glass has been manufactured since 1742. Together with the glass blowers and the designers, continuously stretch the possibility of glass, and glass blowing techniques has been developed through the experimentations in Småland glass rooms.
Said, I have to say that.
Yeah,
it is said that Costa Glassworks survived First World War by making not bottles but preserving jars on machines like these. Because at that time nobody wanted the crystal, which was, they were specialized in crystal to begin with.
Yeah.
But all of a sudden there was no market for that luxury, so they
just pressing up the bottles and jars.
Made preserving jars. Which was an interesting product because it was very early, it was sort of standardized.
Okay.
These have nothing with each other to do, but it works.
Okay.
I don't know if that was a formal standard, but it was anyway a standard in practice. And every, and I mean every, and then some glassworks made these
So
things.
these all are the leads of the jars?
Yes.
Yeah, different sizes
Yes.
of that, yeah. So guys, we are here now in front of their art gallery. You will find the special decorative artifacts over here. So let's go. Like much Swedish design, they have their some signature motifs. If you come here and visit this type of place or stores, you will find their signature motifs like flower vase, snowballs, berries, apples, fish. But they have also some sweet, some whimsical motifs also. What they follows the pattern, and that is apples and the other flowers, birds, and so on. So it's a beautiful place to explore. I will definitely recommend you to come and visit this place, and it's just an eye candy. It's beautiful.
So that's all for today from an amazing glass workshop, museum, and the glass blower techniques workshop. This is Beridola Glasriket. We hope you enjoyed our video today and enjoy the whole tour with us. So we are planning to take you to some more exciting activities and tour soon. Till then, take care, and please, those who haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe to support us. Hopefully see you soon. Take care. Bye.